Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. We are gonna do some quick unboxing. Tara guys, buksan na natin. So I got something in TikTok, which is, we'll see what's in here. It's perfectly sealed. Ooh, it's a foundation. Oh, it's a serum um, skin tint stick from LYS. I got the shade M and 5. Okay, let me open it up. Ay, nasira. Sisirain naman eh. Ooh, does it look darker in me? Tingnan nyo guys. Medyo dark sa akin. Ata. It's MN5. Try natin later. Next one is from Shein. Shein. Let's open it up. Ooh. There's a lot of things in here. I'm excited, guys. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at that. Let me open one by one. Ito muna. Ooh. Ito natin, guys. So, I got yung makeup from Shein. It's liquid blush. It's in the shade Float On. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this makeup, yung Shea Glam na brand, which is company pala ng Shein yun, sis. No? Let's open it. Let's open that. Oh, ang laki! Ang laki pala! Look at that. Whoa! Ooh! Walang amoy. Ganda ng color. I'm excited! Oo, pang matagalan pala siya na makeup. Let me just try it today. And then, next one is another Shea Glam brand. Same thing as that, but contour. It's in the shade Soft Tan. Ayan, no? Oh, look at that. Ang ganda! Ah. Ang ganda, guys! Oh, it's gray. Good for contour talaga siya. Meron akong gray na contour, pero hindi siya ganito ka-gray. Hindi siya ganito ka-gray. So, I'm excited to contour my face with this. Next one is Damit. Ooh, what is this? So, ang dami kong biniling pantulog. I really wanted to try. What? Oh my gosh! Ang cute nito, pero hindi ko to in-order. I don't think I ordered this. Is it free? Oh my God! Ang cute niya, guys. Pantulog. Isa yun. I don't think I ordered that. Isa yun, guys. Next one is... Ooh, this is so cute. Patulog na naman. Ito. This one yung top. I think stretchy naman siya. This one yung top. And then, ito yung top niya sa this one is top. This one yung bottom. And then, ito yung top. Sa likod, tignan niyo naman. Wow! Next is another bag with a lot of stuff in it. Let's open it up. Oh, I have ang laki pala niya. Have this lashes. Masyado siyang makapal. But we'll see. Let's try it next time. Kung kaya ko maglagay ng anime lashes. This is anime lashes. Meron pang isa. Oh, ito. I like this one. Another anime lashes. Mas perfect to sa akin. Kasi natural lang. Hindi siya too much for me. Okay. Next one is this. Ooh. The reason why na binili ko to is because of this. It's so cute. Bear siya na keychain, and then you can just put it in your bag. Yeah, in your bag, your wallet, or your phone maybe. So ito siya. Let me open it. Oh, ang ganda din ng color. Ito yung color niya, guys. Ang ganda. May amoy siya, pero mild lang. I'm not sure kung lagay natin sa lips. Ang ganda. Soft glam. Ang cute, oh. Ang ganda. Oh! Tingnan nyo, guys. Ayaw matanggal. Tinanay kong purahin talaga. I-rub. Pero nag-stay siya. Saglit ko lang nilagay. Okay, next one is this. Next one. Ito. Another pantulog. Mahilig ako sa mga pantulog recently eh. I don't know why. Maybe it's because masarap lang matulog ng cute yung outfit mo. Look! See-through. Oh my gosh! Ang cute! Ang cute niya, guys. Ito yung pantulog niya. And then, I have this. Ay! See-through pala siya. So, I have to wear underwear. Kailangan ko mag-underwear dito. Next is this. Good deal tong isang bag na to kasi meron na siyang, I know 3 pero white's only 2. Dalawa. Dalawa lang pala. So, I have this color. Yung pinkish nude. Hala, may siya, stain. Anyway, whatever. I have this. Ito yung back niya. Ganito. And then I have green color. Oh, I like the color. It's this one. Ganyan. Yun lang, guys. Another one. Oh, bumili pa pala ako ng another anime lashes. Pero ang color niya is brown. Nice. Anyways, I'm not gonna open it. That one. Next one is from She Glam. Magic Casa. Headed Lush Stick. Double-headed Lush Stick. What is that? I'm not sure kung binili ko to eh. Sana may mga ganun. Like, may free stuff sila na unexpected. Oh, binigyan ako ng free stuff. Which is, yun yung mga masasayang moment. Na dinagdagan nila yung order ko. Pero, binili ko ba to? I don't think I bought this. Oh, okay. Oh, binili ko ata to talaga. So, blush stick siya. Oh, masyadong vibrant yung color. I think it's blush stick for lips or blush. Yeah, it's a blush stick with, yung, what's that? Yung kabila is pang blending. Next is this one right here. It's from Daisy. From Shein, Daisy. Daisy. Maganda naman yung brand nila, yung Daisy. Manipis nga lang. Pero maganda yung quality niya kahit pa paano. Ano to? Oh, pantulog pa. Another pantulog. Oh, ang ganda nito. It's so nice. Ang ganda. Tapos ito, meron siyang sa baba is like that. Ang ganda. I love it. Sana hindi siya makate kasi meron siyang parang ribbon. Next is this. Ang ganda niya, guys. Oh, look at that. It's a satin. I don't think it's satin. Maybe it's polyester, but it looks like satin. Tapos meron siya sa likod, pa-V. Wow. Ang ganda na, guys. Oh, another lashes. I didn't order two. Why there's two? Another lashes, guys. Weird. Another pantulog. Another pantulog from Romwe. Pero Shein pala siya. Ha! Ang cute niya! I like it. Look at that. It's so cool. So, meron na siyang pantaas. Meron na rin siyang pambaba. So, ang cute niyang pantulog, guys. Ang ganda. Next one is pantulog ulit. Sorry guys, bumili ako ng pantulog. Meron pa dumadating na pantulog pero hindi ko pa nakuha. Ay, hindi makadaan-daan sa bahay. Kasi kailangan ng signature ko and then hindi nakakarating sa amin. So, this one. Whoa! I think I like this one too. This color. Then yung likod niya is like that. I'm excited to wear those. Okay, ito. Maganda ito. Ito yung hinihintay ko rin na hinihintay ko na outfit. Pantulog din, guys. Ang cute! Isn't it so cute? Ito yung sa top. Crop top. It's crop top. And then there's a short. Isn't it cute? Ang cute niya. Okay, last but not the least is this. Kayo. Is this one? Wala pa yung nakita ko. May hinihintay pa ako. I guess this is the last one. Ito yung pinaka-cute na nabili ko. Ang cute! Tapos meron pa siyang short. Yung short, tamang short lang. Hindi siya yung parang sexy short. I love it. I can wear it outside, yeah? Kapag lumabas-labas, ganyan. Pantulog. Ang cute niya, guys. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!